Stop eating pumpkin seeds the wrong way. You might be destroying their best benefits without even knowing it. Today, I'll show you 7 common mistakes that secretly cancel out their power and what to do instead. Mistake number 1. Wrong timing and wrong portion. Most people overeat them or take them at the wrong time. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons, ideally between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. when your digestion works strongest. Mistake number 2. Swallowing without chewing. If you're barely chewing them, your body can't break them down. Aim for 15 good chews so the nutrients actually get absorbed. Mistake number 3. Eating them completely dry. Unsoaked seeds contain compounds that limit mineral absorption. Soak them for 6 to 8 hours first to unlock their full nutritional value. Mistake number 4. Roasting on high heat. Overheating destroys the healthy fats and vitamins. If you roast them, keep the temperature low and slow. Mistake number 5. Buying the salted ones. Flavored and salted seeds spike sodium levels and can raise blood pressure. Choose plain, organic, unsalted seeds instead. Mistake number 6. Not drinking enough water. Pumpkin seeds are rich in fiber. Without enough water, they can actually cause constipation. Drink 2 full glasses of water when you eat them. Mistake number 7. Mixing them with certain medications. They may interact with diabetes or blood pressure medicines. If you're on medication, check with your doctor first. Fixing these simple mistakes can help support testosterone levels, deepen your sleep, and improve prostate health. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss simple health tips like this.